Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maria Home and Decor. Who loves decorating and making stuff with wood? I think most of us, right? So today we will talk about cool scrapwood project ideas for your home in 2024. Would you believe how an old piece of wood could make your bedroom and home look awesome? Or those extra bits could turn into cool wall decorations? From making fancy wall decorations to fun things for your room, there is so much you can do. You do not need fancy tools, just some imagination and basic woodworking skills. Before you throw away those wood scraps, think about all the cool things you could make. Stay tuned with us for more home designs and woodworking project tips on Maria Home and Decor, and share your own woodworking projects with us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.